Hello friends, today we have a brief overview of the OKX Exchange crypto exchange, one of the most popular platforms that is rapidly gaining momentum among traders around the world. OKX has confidently taken its place in the market thanks to its rich functionality, intuitive interface, and some of the lowest trading fees in the industry. This platform is suitable for both beginners just starting out in the crypto world and experienced traders. Here you will find access to hundreds of different assets and a full range of tools, from spot and margin trading to staking, copy trading, and derivatives, including perpetual futures with leverage up to X125. In 2025, OKX is definitely a platform worth paying attention to, especially considering that it ranks 5th among all crypto exchanges in the world, according to CoinMarketCap. Now for the most interesting part, bonuses. If you register using the referral code 62324AD, you will instantly receive a 10% discount on trading commissions and an exclusive reward in the form of a mystery box, which will give you a head start on your cryptocurrency journey. If you're lucky, you can unlock benefits worth up to several hundred US. Activating the code is very simple. Just follow the link below the video or enter the code manually when registering. Confirm your details, and you're done. Don't miss your chance to start receiving guaranteed bonuses and save on every trade. Trade responsibly, and see you in the next videos.